Chief Secretary for Administration Eric Chan said the government will introduce lists to scrutinize the past performance of contractor companies. This came as part of the authority's measures to combat bid rigging. To tackle the issue of bid rigging, the government plans to set up a scrutinized list for contractors and engineering consultants. The lists will probe into the past performance of the companies. Authorities will also request the firm's background information from the police and ICAC. Eric Chan said the purpose of the measure is to prevent companies who have been investigated to join bidding. The government aims to introduce a smoking ban at construction sites by amending the law as early as the beginning of next month. The Secretary for Labour and Welfare, Chris Soon, said contractors may face prosecution if they have not made efforts to curb smoking on construction sites. Samantha Lee has more.
As concerns mount over construction site safety after the deadly fire at Wanford Court, there have been growing calls for smoking bans on the sites. Speaking on a radio program, Secretary for Labour and Welfare Chris Soon said an amendment bill to the construction site safety regulations will be submitted to the Legislative Council early next month at the soonest. If approved, workers caught smoking on construction sites will face a maximum fine of $150,000, while their employers are liable of up to $400,000. Soon said during inspections by officials, if no one is seen smoking but cigarette butts are scattered around or workers are seen carrying cigarettes, officials will assess if anti-smoking measures are in place. They include putting up no-smoking signs, installation of CCTV cameras, and establishing cigarette drop-off areas at entrances and exits of the site. Soon said if employers of construction workers fail in their part in preventing smoking at construction sites, they could face prosecution. In light of recent fatal industrial accidents, the Labour chief vowed to update guidelines for mobile elevating work platforms as soon as possible. Meanwhile, the mandatory reporting of child abuse ordinance will take effect next Tuesday, under which 25 categories of specified professionals in sectors such as social work, education, and healthcare must report suspected serious child abuse cases. Soon said he anticipates more cases will be coming to light, and the government will offer temporary shelters to abused children. Samantha Lee, TVB News.